Hello everyone, we are going to make a delicious dessert. We're going to make a Tropical Dream Fluff. Yes, this is so delicious, perfect for summer, super easy to make, uses some basic ingredients. So the first thing that you will need is a box of vanilla pudding. So I'm just going to add this to a bowl and then just combine all this together. Now you could use sugar-free pudding if you wanted to. All right, then 1 cup of milk. Then I'm gonna take my handy little frother here, and it comes with this whisk attachment, and I'm gonna blend this up. Whoa, no I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna use this instead. I was not expecting the splash. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to drain this 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. I want to get out as much of the liquid as I can. Okay, then I'm going to add the pineapple. All right, I'm switching to a spatula because we're also going to add 1 cup of shredded coconut. And this is the unsweetened kind, but you could use the sweetened if you prefer. Then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of chopped macadamia nuts, but you could also use pecans or walnuts or almonds if you wanted to, or you don't have to use nuts. If you have a nut allergy or something like that, or you don't like nuts, then you can just leave them out. All right, so the last thing that you'll need is 1 cup of whipped cream. You could use Cool Whip if you want, but I have here 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, and I'm just going to beat this until I have nice stiff peaks. And I'm not sure if I want to use this little whisk or if I want to go with the frother. Let's just give this a go and see what happens. No, I'm going with the frother. This splatters too much. Much better.
So just kidding. What you see here, folks, is I'm experiencing some technical difficulties. I'm pouring this into a cup so that hopefully it won't splatter. And I'm switching back to a whisk, and oh yeah, this is a good call.
Okay, we have whipped cream. All right, I'm just going to add it to my pudding mixture. All right, so I'm gonna fold this whipped cream into my pudding mixture. All right, well, I'm digging in. I've transferred it to this bowl. You could put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for a couple of hours, but I was impatient. I wanted some right now. And I'm just dipping some graham crackers in there into this. So it's kind of like a dip. You can eat it with graham crackers, or you could just eat it in a bowl by itself. Whatever you want. It's delicious. My graham cracker broke. Alrighty, well, I can't stay out of it. It's so delicious. Anyway, I hope that you give this a try. If you do, please let me know. But I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.